What you was doing at 24?
Average of 30.
All right, made it safe and sound. Now, what I need to do is find this shuttle that literally goes straight to Times Square so I can get to my damn hotel. Made it to the shuttle. Next stop, hotel, Times Square. We gotta walk a little bit. It's nippy out here. We packed for that though, but it's cold. All right, we made it. We gotta go up, cut over a couple blocks. But we made it. There's fucking brick out here. My jacket in my bag though. I'm gonna get to this hotel and then come back out, get some food. We just made it to the hotel. I'm about to change. I need to take a nap real quick. We're all good, appreciate it. There's a pizza spot across the way. I'm probably gonna go over there because I'm hungry. Gotta go in here, change. I need some more rest. I got like an hour of sleep on the plane, but probably need a little bit more than that, but it's already getting kind of dark and I probably want to get some content in before I lay her down and again, get something to eat. I told Mom to get her a souvenir shirt. There's 1,000 of those around, so. We made it to the room. May or may not just like walk around, get some shots in, like try to literally hit like a 30-minute like walk, even though it's cold as shit. Hit like a 30-minute like walk and just take pictures and then get something to eat. Hotel room, cool. This is the only problem right here. What is this? I can't even turn that without having a damn socket wrench. But yeah, we got a little closet. It ain't nothing too crazy, just a simple little room. Simple little room, that's all I need. I ain't gonna be in here long. Coffee, I never drink coffee, but it's there. Little desk to work at, 40-inch TV, little paintings and things, and then here's the bathroom. Pretty simple, you know. You got your shitter, you got your shitter, and you got your washer, you got your tallies and your shower heads, and yeah, this is the room we're gonna be in. We're not even gonna be in it that much, like literally. Tomorrow we head out to Sony Hall at like 11, so we gotta be there like an hour before. I'm booked there all day, 6 to 10 Friday and Saturday, and then all day on Sunday. Again, I think my Sunday, I'm just going to like completely wash that and just do what I want to do on that Sunday. Like go where I want to go, get hit the city, you know, explore the city, and you know, I want to go to Central Park. But even at these, like when I'm at these places all day, I think around like 3:30 I'm going to leave and then just go like explore the city a little bit, because I don't want to just spend my whole time at this place. At the end of the day, I still want to experience New York. I've never been here before, so this is like a 3-star hotel. I will tell you that. This Holiday Inn should be better than this. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. Going to go find some gloves for sure. Some gloves that I could wear and still like operate my camera, or this without having to take them on and off. Let me take a shower and then I will see y'all when we head back out and hit the city. Alright, we thought we wasn't bringing a camera. I walked outside for 5 minutes. I was like, nah, you gotta bring it. All right, so we are at Two Bros Pizza on 557 8th Avenue. They got this little combo of 2 cheese slices and you get a soda of your choice. The reviews are like mixed, but it's like pizza. I feel like you really can't really go wrong with pizza. So I'm hungry too, so I'm trying to eat a little bit before we go out shooting. Let's go ahead and sanitize the hands. I had to buy me some gloves because it is brick outside. We in Atlanta right now and it's hot. Like I was hot with the fit I had on before I got on the plane, and it's freezing here, so. Still not bad though. It's a slice. My brother will go crazy for this though. There's so many pizza spots. I'm probably gonna try like at least 3 pizza spots while I'm here. We got that wing spot we're supposed to try. We got the sub spot we're supposed to try. Cat's Delicatessen. I've seen some burger spots as well. It's like 6:30 right now. I'm probably just hit like a lap around the city. The other spot was Joe's Pizza on Broadway. That was like the top listed spot, so we definitely gotta try that spot. There's a great thing about here though. It's a lot of dollar slicer spots. What's really getting me is like some of the people dressing like it's summertime. Two Bros Pizza, it get a thumbs up. Late night, you come in here, you can't really go wrong with 2 slices and a little tall boy soda. $4 flat, you know. To the infamous Times Square steps. Yeah. Some people drunk up there. These is done though. I'm ready to put these bitches back in the box. Okay, we had to come into a store real quick. Fucking hands frozen shut. They got this Tamashii Nation store. It's like action figures, pretty much. Collectibles, Naruto, Dragon Ball Z, freaking Gundam, just a whole bunch of figurines. Pretty freaking sick though. Got Pac-Man, that Gundam's fire. Got Godzilla back there, Ultraman. Ooh, Goku Black, clean. Actually, they're not even that expensive either, which is pretty good. I really want to get me a Afro Samurai figurine. Oh, that one is clean back there. That's hard. That's fire. That's sick as hell too. The blade keeps going. I got this same exact one at home with his Godzilla like spinal like his dorsal fin with the axe. I don't have that with the Mecha Godzilla head, but it was not $90. Just chill action. Bro, this thing ain't even that big. This how big that thing is? That'd be bigger than that for 360. Bro, y'all do not know how many Transformers I used to have back in the day. It was not funny. I had literally, y'all may be too young to know what a treasure or a toy chest is. But dude, when you talk about some Transformers, I had like over 100 freaking Transformers in my toy chest. All right, now that I can feel my fucking fingers again, let's go back out into the damn city. Bro, so many damn characters in this city. And the pigeons, they just rocking out. Pigeons just rocking out. Ain't flying away, they out here. They just out here. So really, in order for me to be out here for an extended period of time, I gotta like walk, go in somewhere, walk, go in somewhere for like 10 minutes. So my damn thumbs don't fall off, bro. Shoot outside, walk inside. Man, this motherfucker got 3 levels. They just gave me the nastiest look. Should've slit her little ass. Should've slit her little ass. Should've slit her little ass. I'm probably gonna find me some sweatpants, cause I have like 4. I brought 4 pair, but I'm probably gonna bring some more or get some more. Oh, this kind of fire. I kinda mess with this. I kinda mess with it. Corduroylands. They're so crazy. Like now, I don't even do like sweatpants that aren't like loose fitting. They got the Forever 21 Pelés, nigga. This gotta be some New York shit only. It gotta be. I like your fit. I'm vlogging, but I say I like your fit. You're welcome. This is fly. You won't never catch me wearing no leather button up. Go back to the hotel. It's about to be 8:30. Probably get me something to eat before I go back in. Cool little vibe. Definitely, it gives me like, it reminds me of Japan because motherfuckers don't sleep. It definitely reminds me of Japan for real.
No. Stop the show. Wait. That's how you kiss your lady? Yeah. Let me show you something. Hey!
Everybody! Make some noise! I can do it! I can do it! I know I can! I know I can! I know I can! I'm a black man! I'm a black man! You wanna be black, you wanna be black! Make some noise!
I mean, the days is pretty dark a lot. Down here, it's easier to find a gun than it is to find a fucking parking spot. No love for the opposition, specifically a composition, because they never been in opposition. Getting violations from the nation, correlating you